Hello guys, welcome to another video, and this is a series that we are doing to solve the ISC specimen question paper for Accountancy 2024. In this video, we'll solve question number 6. So let's get started. In this question, we are required to show the reserve and surplus in the notes to accounts. We are also required to answer this question where they're asking for heading and subheading under which land is shown in the balance sheet of the company, and we are also asked to show the share capital in the balance sheet of the company prepared as on 31st March 23, and the notes to accounts to be ignored for this calculation. Okay, let's start from the beginning. On 1st April 21, Vintage Limited was registered with a capital of rupees 40 lakhs divided into equity shares rupees 100 each. It offered 12,000 shares to the public, which were all subscribed for and allotted and were fully paid. During the year, these were the transactions. Okay, for the first part, what all do we need? Issued 5,500 equity shares to the public on which till the date of balance sheet as at 31st March 23 rupees 70 had been called up. So we don't need this for the first part, which is reserve and surplus in the notes to account. It issued equity shares of rupees 100 each at a premium of rupees 25 to Style Limited, from which it purchased land at a purchase consideration of rupees 4,50,000. So here we have a premium of 25, and in order to find out exact amount of premium, we would need the number of shares that has been issued in order to purchase this land. All right, so let's quickly do the working here. Number of shares issued. Okay, that will be a straightforward calculation, which is 4,50,000, which is the purchase consideration, divided by 125, which is the issue price, so which is here 3600. 3600 shares were issued. If we come to our notes to accounts, now if you write the heading here, reserves and surplus, below that our first item will be securities premium reserve account. Securities premium reserve, and the amount will be 3600 into 25, which is the premium per share, rupees 90,000. From the third point, paid underwriting commission of rupees 40,000 to the underwriters. So as per the rules, we subtract it first from securities premium if it exists, so we'll subtract it from here. Underwriting commission. We subtract that, which is 40,000, a negative figure. So what do we get? If we subtract it here and write the amount here, 50,000 we are getting. All right. Then from the fourth point, the company suffered a net loss of rupees 4 lakh. So then we write statement of profit and loss, negative figure of 4 lakh. And if we add this to, we get 3,50,000 as our loss, the total loss, which will be the net amount of reserve and surplus, right? This is what we are getting. So this answers our first part, show reserve and surplus in the notes to accounts. This is what we have shown here. The second question that we have mentioned the heading and subheading under which land is shown in the balance sheet of the company. The answer to that is straightforward. As we all know, it is shown under the head non-current assets under the subhead property, plant and equipment. Okay. Let's move on to the third one. Give the amount of share capital in the balance sheet of the company. Straightforward. Let's try to do it here straight away. The first sentence says it offered 12,000 shares already to the public. So that is 12,000 into 100, right? That is the first part that we have. We'll try to do it straightforward without notes to accounts because we don't have so much of time for this. The second part, it issued 5,500 equity shares, which were rupees 70 called up. So again, 5500 into 70. The third part here, the company issued, we calculated 3600 shares of rupees 100 each. So that comes part of it, close bracket. And if we do this, this is our entire share capital amount, which is 19,45,000. Okay, this covers our entire sum. All the three parts we have done it here. And if you want, you can show this calculation separately in the workings. That how are you arriving at this figure instead of showing that as a part of notes to accounts. Hope this was helpful. We'll catch you with another sum in this series. If you want to join online classes and get your resolutions to your questions, you can ping me and you can leave a note in the comments. I'll share my email ID as well. You can reach out to me and share your contact number and you can join the online classes. If you have any other doubts, do let me know in the comment section below. We'll get in touch. Thanks for watching, guys.